Harikatha listen. You have transmitter or not? Oi. Huh? Huh? English, I can speak English and translate.
There's transmitter, yes.
Transmitter. Om Ajnanatimirandhrasya Gyananjana Salakaya Chakshurmidam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaura Chandraya Radhika Vaitadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tad Bhaktaya Namo Namo. Vancha Kalpataruscha Kripa Sindhu Bhaivacha Patitanang Pavanebho Vaishnavebho Namo. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama. Oh, everybody come, listen Harikatha. So what is the transmitter? Portuguese or Ruski? So by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, after Navadvip Dham Parikrama, we have come Khirchara Gopinath, that is called Remuna. Then after taking darshan, Khirchara Gopinath, Remuna, and the Samadhi Mandir of Madhavendra Puripad, then we will go to Jagannath Puri. So this place is called Khirchara Gopinath. That means Khir means sweet rice. And Chora means still. So that means Gopinath, he stole the sweet rice for Madhavendra Puripad. For this regard, this Thakurji's name is called Khir Chora Gopinath. Gopinath, you have seen very nice, beautiful deities of Gopinath. In this temple, you have seen the three deities. Madan Mohan, in the left side Madan Mohan, in the middle Gopinath, and right side Govinda Dev. But here in no deities of Srimati Radhika. But why? This is very confidential thing. Later I will tell to you. And all our Goswamis, they also manifested the Thakurji, Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. But later they manifested the deities of Srimati Radhika. So here is very confidential place when Ramchandra in exile Banavas. That time Lord Ramchandra, he was staying in Dandakaranya. Because Lord Ramchandra, he was exiled in 14th years for the carrying the vow of his father Dasarath. Raghukula riti sada chali ai prana jai baru bachana na jai. Dasarath Maharaj, he had three queens, mainly three queens, Kausala, Koikeyi and Sumitra. Koikeyi, she also got two benediction from Dasarath Maharaj. But Koikeyi, she told, when I have need, then I will take back from these two benediction. When I have need. But what kind of benediction? She did not tell. So Dasarath Maharaj, he told, okay, when you have need to benediction, and I will give you. So when Ramchandra's Raj Abhishek almost going on, and that time Kaikeyi she asked to Dasharatha Maharaj, now is the best and proper time. You have to give me two benediction. That is one benediction. My son Bharat, he should be the king of Ayodhya, and Ram, he would be go to the forest for 14 years. Then finally Dasharatha Maharaj, he agreed. Because he agreed not directly tell anything. Maunam sammati lakkhanam. In Sanskrit words explain, if you not give any response or keep silence, that means you agree or accept. So in this way, Ramchandra, he also exiled in the forest for 14 years. Because Kaikeyi, she asked Ramchandra have to go to the forest for 14 years. 14 साल बन के ले जाने के लिए. 14 years. You have to go forest in 14 years. And you should not stay in the town, city, or even in the kingdom. So Ramchandra, he also exiled in forest with Lakshman and Sita Devi. So almost his 13th years passed. Then last 1 year, Ramchandra, he was staying in Dandakaranya, a very nice, beautiful, sweet place, Dandakaranya. And when once Muni Rishis are there, very nice, beautiful place, all Muni Rishis are there. So one day in the rainy season, then all the cows and calves, they are running here and there, and behind the cowherd boys, and that cowherd boys, the son of the Muni Rishis, they also running behind the cows and calves. When saw this, then Ramchandra, he was smiling. Then Sita Devi, she asked to Ramchandra, oh my lord, why are you smiling? What happened? That time Ramchandra, he told, oh, this is very confidential. But if he is confidential, why not? Please tell to me. That time Ramchandra, he told, after my Rama Lila, I will manifest my Krishna form. That is called Krishna Lila. My Krishna form is very sweet and attractive. And that time I will become Krishna and you will become Radha. And that time we will perform another Leela, because I will become cowherd boy, and that time I will be also herding the cows and running behind the cows. When heard this katha, then Sita Devi, she asked, how? Please tell me about your Krishna form. Because our scriptures explain Krishna, he has 64 qualifications. But 4 qualifications, that is called extraordinary. What is that? Who knows? Rupamadhurya, sweetness of his beauty. Or second kya? Leela Madhurya, sweetness with his divine pastime. Third, Prema Madhurya, sweetness is divine love. And fourth, Venu Madhurya, sweetness is sound of the flute, Venudhani. So for this regard, Sita Devi, she asked, I want to see your very beautiful and Krishna form, Krishna Rupa form. That time Ramchandra, and he also made Krishna form and with the arrow and one big stone. You have seen this stone, you have seen that the deities of Krishna and Srimati Radhika are there. You have seen there. Jugal Sarkar is there. and couple Radha and Krishna. And also you have seen the cows and calves and also what is called Krishna's some Leela, Dwarka Leela, Mathura Leela is there. That is called Chanor Mustik and this way. When Ramchandra told, after my Ram Leela, I will manifest in the form of Krishna. And that time I will perform this Leela. And especially Braj Leela. You have seen that Vrindavan are very nice, beautiful form is there. In the top of the Lord is Ram and Ramchandra. Radha and Krishna also three deities are there. That is three yugas are there. Satta, Treta, Dwapar yugas are there. Very nice, beautiful deities. And when saw this, the deity Sita Devi completely attracted. She told, I have to worship these deities. Actually, this deity is worshipped by Sita Devi. So Sita Devi, when she was staying in Dandakaranya, and that time Sita Devi, she worshipped these deities. Then after few months, Ravan kidnapped Sita Devi. You know the story in Ramayana. And that time, that deity was staying in Dandakaranya. But how to stay? Because Ramchandra manifested the deities. If deity manifested and installed it, you have to worship. Be careful. If you installed the deities, you cannot left without worship. यदि विग्रह के आपने प्रतिष्ठित किया, विग्रह के 3 बार आपको सेवा करना ही पड़ेगा. If your deities worship installed it, and you have to worship 3 times. 3 बार सेवा करनी चाहिए. अर्थात 3 बार ठाकुर जी के भोग लगाना चाहिए. 3 बार आरती होना चाहिए. 3 times you have to offer the prasadam bhoga, and 3 times you have to arati. Otherwise, it will be offensive, aparad. So now coming in this way, Sita Devi kidnapped by Ravana. That Thakurji is here, in Dandakar. Actually, that Thakurji, Brahmaji he took in Brahma Loka. And Brahmaji not taken. Brahmaji he also worshipped this Thakurji. And Brahmaji every day he used to come Brahma Loka and worship this Thakurji. In Dandakaranya. 3 times Brahmaji used to come. Because Ramchandra installed it, manifested. So Brahmaji he came and he also worshipped this Thakurji. Now he coming this, and Ramchandra he killed Ravan, then he took back Sita Devi, then he returned back to Ajodhya. When Ramchandra he was coming with his wife Sita Devi and Lakshman, Hanuman, Vibhishan and many also his entourage, and with his Pushpa Viman. And that time when coming in this Remuna, this place, am I wrong? When the Thakurji coming, that time Sita Devi she told, I have to take back my Thakurji. Which Thakurji? Gopinath. Then Sita Devi she took Thakurji on the Pushpa Viman. When Pushpa Viman coming this place, Remuna, because Remuna means actual Ramdhatu. The Bharvary root Ram means very beautiful and attractive. And that time at least as like Tapovan. And nowadays you cannot see, but sometimes you can see that is very beautiful place. And that is as like Tapovan. Many trees. Tapovan means where Muni Rishis they perform bhajan and sadhan and austerity. That is called Sanskrit word, they call Tapovan. Tapo means austerities, Van means forest, not Van Maharaj. Tapovan, where the Muni Rishis perform hard austerities in the forest, that is called the Tapovan. And very nice, beautiful place. And so here Sita Devi, when she coming, then Thakurji he told direct to Sita Devi, I don't want to go to Ajodhya. I will stay here. And so Thakurji himself, this Gopinath, and he told, I will stay in this Tapovan. Then Ramchandra, he left the Thakurji. And then you heard also Ramchandra, then Sita Devi. And actual Sita Devi, she also want to take bath or thirsty. Then Ramchandra, he shooted one arrow, but 7 streams of the river manifested. Sapta Dhara. And Sapta Dhara means, Sapta means 7, Dhara means stream. Then the streams of the 7 streams of the Ganges at a time manifested. Then Sita Devi, she drank the water from the Ganges and took bath. So for this regard, from Treta Yug, this Thakurji was staying here. So this katha also explained in our Shastra. Then after Kali Yug, Ramachandra, Madhavendra Puripad. Who is Madhavendra Puripad? In our Guru Parampara, Madhavendra Puripad is called the spout of Prem. प्रेमांकुर. माधवेंद्र पुरीपाद के क्या बोला जाता है? प्रेम अंकुर, प्रेमांकुर. And what prema ankura? What is the sprout of prem? Braja prem. And this first Braja prem manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. And Madhavendra Puripad, he was high class, exalted devotee of Lord. Madhavendra Puripad. And he also absorbed in the same separation mood of Srimati Radhika. And that is called Mathur Viraha Katar Brajavas. Mathur Viraha Katar means when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. And that time Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. So these types of mood is called Mathur Viraha. That is called Dibba Anumad, the transcendental madness of Srimati Radhika. These things Sukadeva Goswami Pad has described in Srimad Bhagavatam, that is called Brahmar Geet, the song of the bumblebee. You can read, I also explained how Madhavendra Puripad and completely absorbed in the pang of separation of Krishna. Oi dino dayadra natha Mathura natha avalukase. And hey Krishna, when you return back from Mathura to Vrindavan, and in this bar Srimati Radhika, she did man in her viraha dasa, and in her separation mood, she felt pang of separation from Sri Krishna, and she did man. Because 4 kinds of separation and 4 kinds of meeting. That is called Vipralamba and Sambhog. And Vipralamba means separation, or Sambhog means meeting. So 4 kinds of separation, Vipralamba. What is that? Who knows? Follow. What is that? Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Prema Vaichitta. So Purvarag Man is also included in the separation. So Srimati Radhika, she did man with Krishna. Man is coming in his way. Man means anger mood, not our material anger. Sometimes you are angry with your whom? Guru. No, you should not agree with the offense of Radha. You should, when man, that is called, the man is coming, when the love so much condensed, that is called sneha. Sneha means affection. Sneha. And that sneha more condensed, that is called the man. Or Sinaman or Pranay. Pranay means here deep attachment and with lover and beloved. That is called Pranay. So that means sometimes so much deep attachment with lover and beloved, and that time, if they fall to each other, that time their anger mood is coming. And so now coming in this way, Srimati Radhika, she did man. Why? Because Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. And so in this verse, Oi Dino Dayadra Natha Mathura Natha Koda Avalokase. Hey Krishna, and you are very kind-hearted, or Dayalu. But that means you are not kind-hearted, you are very hard-hearted, Kathor, this story. Because this word, when the man coming, that time that word is very sweet and telling in the opposite way. He are saying, Oi Dino Dayadra Natha. Hey Krishna, you are very kind-hearted. That means you are not kind-hearted. You are very hard-hearted. You are very cruel. Nistura. You are very cruel. Because this word is coming in what is called sarcastic way. Opposite. So, Oi Dino Dayadra Natha, Mathura Natha. Mathura Natha means now you are the king of Mathura. Before you were in Braj, that is called cow-herd boys. Here you are herding the cows, and now you are the king of Mathura. This is also a joking and joked with him. So, Oi Dino Dayadra Natha Mathura Natha Kada Avalokase. Kada Avalokase means when will you give darshan to us? All we are feeling separation from you. So this verse actually first manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. That is her transcendental mind, Dibbo Unmadasa. Very high level, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. Madanakha Mahabhav only manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. And not in the heart of any Sakhi. Lalita Visakha, what will say? Even not in the heart of queens of Dwarka. And Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained in Ujjalinmani Grantha also. And Mahisi Opi Sudur Labham. Even the queens of Dwarka, they have no these types of prem. So try to understand what kinds of prem in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, explain Mahisi Opi Sudur Labham. Very, very rare this prem. So this prem first manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Second, this prem, this verse uttered by Madhavendra Puripad. Before Madhavendra Puripad, no any acharyas, no any person recited this verse. This is for this regard in our Guru Parampara. Madhavendra Puripad is called the, what did he say? Prema Ankura, the sprout of transcendental divine love, Prema Ankura. What kinds of prem? Not Dasa, Sakha, Vatsallo, only Madhurja prem. And the sweetness prem, conjugal love, and in this conjugal love, highest prem, that is called and Parakyatta Bhav. This is only our in Gaudiya Sampradaya, not other Sampradayas. So for this regard, Madhavendra Puripad, he is called the Prema Ankura, Premankura. This types of mode. Then this mode also, second this mode manifested in the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he felt pang of separation from Krishna, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Radha, now I am feeling separation from Krishna. Apan aake sada kare Radha Abhiman. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna, he left me from Vrindavan to Mathura. So this is called Mathur Viraha Katar Bhajan. So this Mathur Viraha Katar Bhajan. Understand? Mathur means Mathura. The mood of, because Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. And Viraha means separation. That means Brajavasis. They are feeling separation from Krishna, who is now staying in Mathura. For this regard, this is called the Mathur Viraha Katar Brajavasi. Viraha Katar. Katar means complete bewilderment. Feeling separation. That is called bewilderment. So Mathur Viraha Katar Brajavasi. So Madhavendra Puripad, he was high class. So he came in Braj and he took darshan the Braj, but he was called Ajatak Vritti. Ajatak Vritti means he did not ask alms, food for anyone. If anybody will give something, and he will eat. Or day and night, and chanting holy names, Nam Sankirtan, and remembering the sweet pastimes of Krishna. He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu, He Krishna, He Krishna, He Chapala, He Karunaika Sindhu, He Nath, He Ramana, He Nayana Virama, Ha Ha Kadanu Bhavitasmi Bhuvur Disur Me. This was Madhavendra Puripad also recited this verse. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Hey Deva, that means Krishna. You are called Deva. Deva means Divyati Kriyati Deva. That means one who is very nice, beautiful form. And he is very expert to dancing. For this regard, he is called Deva. Hey Deva, Hey Daita. You are very near and dearest to all the living entities. He Deva, He Daita, He Karunaika Sindhu. He Krishna, you are the ocean of divine. What is your Karuna? Compassion. Compassion means Karuna. You are the ocean of divine compassion. One compassion is material compassion. If anybody has no food or hungry or anything you are offering, that is called material compassion. Or divine compassion means one who is feeling separation from his Ishtadeva, worship. That is called, and you help to him, that is called transcendental compassion. So saying in this verse, He Deva, He Daita, He Karunaika Sindhu, He Nath. Nath means, He Krishna, you are the supreme protector of all the living entities. He Nath, He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu. Bhuvanaika Bandhu, you are the friend of the universe, universal friend. And because everybody loves to Krishna. Only Mayavadi, they don't like Krishna. They don't love him, Krishna. Oh, don't sleep. Samadhi. Listen Harikatha. So, He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu, He Krishna, He Chapala. Chapala means you are very restless. You are not staying in one place. You are running here and there. For this, He Chapala, He Karunaika Sindhu, He Nath, He Ramana. He Ramana. Ramana means only you are playing with your gopis. So for the He Nath, He Ramana, He Nayanavi Ramam. And everybody completely intoxicated with your sidelong glance. Tirche Najari Darak Bandi Bin. And Krishna captivated the heart of all the living entities with his romantic sidelong glance. Sukade He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu, He Krishna, He Chapala, He Karunaika Sindhu, He Nath, He Ramana, He Nayana Viramam, ha kadano bhavitasme bhuvor disorme. That means, hey Krishna, when you will give darshan? So in this way, Madhavendra Puri Pad, when he came in Braj, that time day and night he absorbed in the pains of separation of Krishna and crying, the same mood of Srimati Radhika, Radha Viraha. So once Madhavendra Puri Pad, he was staying very close to the Govinda Kunda. And when you are used to go Brahmandara Parikrama, Sankarsan Kunda, then Govinda Kunda is there. Have you seen or not? Just now we have seen. Govinda Kunda and Sankarsan Kunda. In the middle, Madhavendra Puri Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhana. One side Govinda Kunda, and this side Sankarsan Kunda. But he did not ask any alms food for anybody. And chanting holy names, remembering pastimes of Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then Krishna manifested the form of one cowherd boy, Gopala. Then Krishna brought milk and with a full of, what is it called? Pitcher, clay pot. Then he offered to Madhavendra Puri Pad, Baba, take this milk. And because whole day you are completely full fast. Nirjala Ekadasi. You are completely full fast. So please take this milk. Then Madhavendra Puri Pad asked to the blackish boy, how do you know? I am completely full fast. I am not eating. Then Krishna disguised the form of cowherd boy. He told, my mother, she came here to fetching water from this kunda. मेरे माँ जो है आज पानी भरने के लिए इस कुंड में आई थी और तुम्हारे मुख देख करके मेरे माँ ने पहचान लिया कि आज सारा दिन तुमने कुछ नहीं खाया। बोले ब्रज धाम है, ब्रज में कोई उपवास नहीं करते। एक ही उपवास करते, कौन से उपवास? एकादशी। इन द ब्रज नो वन completely full fast. Only Brajavasis, they complete full fast for which one? Ekadasi Tiri. Understand? Not sleeping. Oh, Durvandu Dasi. So my mother, she also told me, you should take this milk and offer to Madhavendra Puri Pad. But very nice, beautiful, sweet voice. Then automatically Madhavendra Puri Pad heart completely melted. Then Madhavendra, that time that boy, he told, I have no time. I am going to back my home and I will do something. Then that boy, blackish boy, left the milk pot. दूध के भांडे जो में रख दिया. Then he left, disappeared. But Madhavendra Puri Pad heart completely captivated by the sidelong glance of the blackish boy who offered the milk. So when Madhavendra Puri Pad took the one drop of the milk, then all kinds of ecstatic mood manifested in his heart. Romancha Kampasu Piva. Then Madhavendra Puri Pad realized, I am completely renounced person. My heart is not attached with anyone. But why my mind completely attached with this blackish boy? Still Madhavendra Puri Pad thinking, when I chant holy names, their mind completely attached with that blackish boy. Madhavendra विचार करने जब मैं हरिनाम करता हूँ तो वही काले सांवले बालक आकर के मेरे स्मृति पाठ में नृत्य करने लगे. Madhavendra Puri Pad thinking, I am a renounced person. I am not attached to anybody. But after taking the milk, then my mind always absorbed with the blackish boy. And why? Chanting holy still Madhavendra chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Madhavendra Puri was chanting. And little bit, he closed his eyes. Because our Goswamis, actually they did not sleep. छप्पन्न दंड रात्रि दिने राधा गोविंद बिना नहीं जाने चारि दंड सुते थके सपने राधा गोविंद देखे. This verse explains all our Goswamis actually they did not sleep. Day and night, how many dandas? बोल, कितना?
94.
फिर पागल.
64.
अरे 60 दंड. Day and night, how many dandas? 60 दंड. ठीक है ना? 56 दंड रात्रि दिने राधा गोविंद बिना नहीं जाने चारि दंड सुते थके सपने राधा गोविंद देखे. So day and night, how many dandas? 60. 60. One danda means 24 minutes. Remember. So 56 danda, and they also chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Are only 4 dandas. They just taking rest and few minutes take rest or going to the what is called shower toilet and also taking some madhupuri from the house of Brajavasis. And actually all Goswami they took madhupuri from the house of Brajavasis and taking. But when they used to close their eyes when taking rest, and that time in their dream Radha Krishna had come. कैसे हैं? 56 दंड रात्रि दिने राधा गोविंद बिना नहीं जाने चारि दंड सुते थे. Only 4 dandas they take rest. So 4 danda means 1 hour 36 minutes. 1 घंटा 36 मिनट. 96 minutes. So Madhavendra Puripad, when he took rest, just he closed his eyes few minutes. Then same and cowherd boy, he came in a dream. And sweet words he told. Hey Madhavendra Puripad, I am waiting for you. So long time I am waiting for you. Kabe Madhavendra Puri ase amai Kuriben Sevan. Thakurji he told, hey Madhavendra Puripad, when you will come and worship to me? I am manifested by Vajranath, who is the great grandson of Krishna. Then my name is called, what is your name? Gopal. What is your name? Gopal, not Pacha. What is your name? Gopal. Krishna told, I am manifested by किसके द्वारा प्रतिष्ठित गोपाल? Vajranath. You sleeping or not? Good sleep. Vajranath, who is the great grandson of Krishna. Vajranath is प्रतिष्ठित मैं गोपाल. But Pujari left me in this place because that time Muslim they tortured to the Hindu and Hindu deities. So Pujari left me. Now I am under the earth. मिट्टी के नीचे मैं पड़ा हूँ. So please come and reveal to me. But you don't know where I am. So please come with me. So in the dream, Madhavendra Puripad, he walked with Krishna and come in one place in Gujarat, Govardhan and Egypt and found very nice, beautiful deities of Krishna. So now coming in this way, Madhavendra Puripad, he manifested that deities. That is called, what is his name? Gopal. Understand? And Madhavendra Puripad, he worshipped the Thakurji very nicely. And also Chappanna Bhog, Annakut Maha Mahotsav. He called all the businessmen from Mathura. That time Mathura was very richest city. उस समय मथुरापुरी जो है आज से कितना हजारों साल पहले मथुरापुरी जो है पृथ्वी में सबसे बड़े शहर था, नगर था. Eh? So he told, Thakurji told, hey, Madhavendra Puripad, he called all the richest person from Mathura. And all they also perform very nice, beautiful Annakut Maha Mahotsav. Eh? Annakut Maha Mahotsav, understand? Big that the hill of the rice पहाड़ के इस क्या बोले चावल के पहाड़ बना दिया था मथुरा के बड़े बड़े सेठ आकर के एक महीने तक गिरिराज गोवर्धन की उत्सव किया. All the richest and businessmen from Mathura, they used to come in Govardhan and they also celebrate very nice, beautiful Annakut Maha Mahotsav. How many days? 1 month. You can listen or not? Only one person listen. Everybody listen or not? How many days Madhavendra Puripad perform Annakut Maha Mahotsav? Raise one. 30 days. हम लोग तो एक दिन करने से थक जाते हैं. We become very tired if we perform Annakut Maha Mahotsav one day. But Madhavendra Puripad, he performed Annakut Maha Mahotsav how many days? 30 days. All the richest person merchants from Mathura, they also celebrate, give some, what is called, donation. And Thakurji is very pleased. Then after 1 month, then heavy rain coming. Then Thakurji is very happy because he is feeling so much hot. But too much hot, not going from his inside. For this regard, Thakurji direct go. Thakurji, who is Thakurji? Gopinath. Thakurji? Gopal. Gopal? Because he had Gopinath, so I say always observed Gopinath. Gopal, he told, hey Madhavendra Puripad, many months I was under the earth. बहुत साल तक मैं मिट्टी के नीचे था. For this regard, I am feeling so much hot. Still my heart is not going out. So you bring some thing for me. But what do you want? Thakurji, he told, you bring the sandalwood paste. Bring sandalwood. And high class sandalwood, that is called Malai Chandan. What Chandan? Malai Chandan. Krishna Chaitanya is sleeping or not? Your eyes are showing. And Malai Chandan, you bring the Malai Chandan. But why is that time Malai Chandan only available in Malaysia? If you go to Malaysia, there is one mountain that is called Malai mountain. So for this regard, later government gave this country's name. What is his name? Malaysia. Actually, that time also Malaysia. That is called Malai Chandan. Malai Chandan that time coming from Malaysia. And for this name is called Malai Chandan. Malaysia. So you bring the very sweet and cooling Malai sandalwood. But Lord himself, Gopal himself, direct order to Madhavendra Puripad. You have to go yourself and bring the Malai Chandan. Madhavendra Puripad very happy. Oh, Thakurji, he asked me, take my seva. चलो भगवान कैसे करना पाए. भगवान ठाकुर जी भक्त के हाथ से सेवा लेना चाहते. क्यों? परम भक्त है ना. भक्ते द्रव्य प्रभु काड़ी काड़ी खाए, अभक्ते द्रव्य प्रभु उलटिए ना चाहे. Who is the pure devotee of Krishna? Lord will by force take him and snatch it. Take me. Those who are non-devotee have no bhakti. So Lord will not accept his offering. So you are saying, Bhakte Drabba Prabhu Kadi Kadi Khai, Abhakte Drabba Prabhu Ulati Na Chai. Who is non-devotee, he has no faith with God. Lord will not except his offering. But this is our rule says, when you take second initiation, that will qualify to offering to Thakurji. Thakurji bhog dene ke liye tab like hote. So now coming in this Madhavendra Puripad, he started to South India. Because that time South India, this Malay Chandan coming, because Malaysia this side. You have to cross you have to bring Malay Chandan. So Madhavendra Puripad, though he became very old for the service of Thakurji Seva, then he himself proceeded to South India. So when Madhavendra Puripad, he came this place, and that time Pujari was doing Arati, taking Khilans, they are Jaya Radha Krishna, Jugal Milan, Arati Kare now, Lalita Sakhega. After taking this Arati, then Madhavendra Puripad, he was taking rest one market. And that time was big market also here. And night time, all the people they left from the market, but Madhavendra Puripad, he was staying alone in market and chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then Thakurji, then Madhavendra Puripad again come here. Then that time the Pujari, he was doing Arati. Madhavendra Puripad Thakurji ko dekha, ji bhar ke dekha. Madhavendra Puripad took darshan, be attentively the deities of Gopinath. Gopinath. Madhavendra come here. Because one night he was taking darshan. And after taking darshan, Pujari offered his ghee lamps, they do it nice. But when Pujari was there, that a sweet smell coming from the temple. And that time Madhavendra Puripad very humble. He asked the Pujari, oh, what kinds of bhog you offered to Thakurji? That the Pujari told, today I offered what bhog? Amrit Kali bhog. Now this is Amrit Kali. Who will take Amrit Kali? Raise your hand. Who will not take Amrit Kali? Raise one hand. No one. Only Gopi, he does not want to take Amrit Kali. Everybody wants. But he will take first. Okay, Madhavendra, sweet smell coming. Then Madhavendra Puripad, just he thinking in his mind, he did not say anything. If would I get one what is called? Drop of the Amrit Kali, then I can taste how is this Amrit Kali. This I think. If I get this, then I will prepare this Amrit Kali for my Thakurji in Gopalji. Where? Gopalji. Govardhan. This thing. But Pujari did not give. Because he did not express his heart. But Madhavendra Puripad, after taking darshan Arati, midnight, he came in the market. I told here the big market. And chanting holy names, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then sweet dream had come. I told, because our Goswamis, how did they bhajan and sadhan? 64 rounds every day chanting holy name. How many rounds?
64.
You chanting 64? No. This life or next life? This life.
64 in a month.
इस जन्म में दोगे कि अगले जन्म में दोगे?
Every week.
You pay your death this life or next life. Understand? I told many times this katha, Hari katha. So now coming in the same Madhavendra Puripad and taking rest in the market after chanting Hari. In the midnight, about 1 and 2 p.m., and Pujari came. And he loudly asked, "Who is Madhavendra Puripad? Who is Madhavendra Puripad?" And that time, Madhavendra Puripad, he told, "My name is Madhavendra." What was? "Oh, you are very lucky." Pujari, he told to Madhavendra Puripad, because Thakurji stole and one Amrit Kali Khir Prasad for him. But Pujari, with the Jugma, is thinking, I am returned back, how many? 12. Because every day, Pujari, he also offered Amrit Kali food. This Amrit Kali means it. Actually, this is called condensed milk. Very condensed. And for this regard, for this. Milk, only milk. Very nice. ये पुजारी is offering, and Madhavendra Puripad is sitting in the market, one set under the tree. Under the tree. And chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Then in this Madhavendra chant, close his eyes and chanting Hare Krishna. But Pujari again and again asks, "Who is Madhavendra Puri? Who is Madhavendra Puri? Jahar lagi Gopinath kohilo khir churi. Who is Madhavendra Puripad? Who is Madhavendra Puripad?" Coming. Because Gopinath stole the key for him. How? After Arati, Pujari, he took and 12 pots of Amrit. But by Jogmaya he did not think, as she also forget. He also by Jogmaya also 2 times narrated. This is also your Leela. For this because he come here. She wrote also twice name. One devotee's name. What is name? Pujari is thinking, I am taking the 12th pot of Amrit Kali. Actually, Thakurji first he also stole, hide, and one Amrit Kali, this one took and hide under the Singhasan. And Thakurji इसको चोरी करके अपने सिंहासन के नीचे छुपा करके रख दी. समझ में आया? But Pujari by his Jogmaya, he thinking, I am taking that 12. Actually he took how many? 11. Mathematics understand? Are you understand? Then give answer. Then he is listening. Otherwise your mind is going in there. For this regard he asked, how many Amrit Kali Thakurji stole? 1. Okay. So एक Amrit Kali पत्थर के जो है उन्हें चोरी करके अपने आसन सिंहासन के नीचे छुपा दी. कैसे छुपाया? अंदर घुसा दी और घुसा करके अपने पीताम्बर से ढक दिया. दिखाई ना पड़ी. ठाकुर जी वेरी क्लेवर. ठाकुर जी he stole one Amrit Kali pot and put under the throne Singhasan and covered with his own cloth. And our Pujari, and by his Jogmaya thinking, I took how many? 12. Maybe your question will come, why Thakurji put under the Singhasan and covered with the cloth? Because maybe another second Pujari will come or someone will come and say, hey, for this regard, cover the cloth. Hiding. Thakurji is very clever. Because Thakurji, he is called the foremost thief, Prajepa Siddham Navanita Jauram. He is very expert how to thief. Thief is very expert. Taking this thing, give to another person. Very quick, 100 meter will go ahead. Last time we went in Nityananda place, Eka Chakra, last 2 years ago. We are giving Hari Katha and our prasad is there also, just behind. And all devotees here. Then our Katha finished, then our prasad also finished. We brought many kinds of preparation. Understand? Leela, Thakurji Leela also these days. अरे सब उधर के गांव वाले से जब गांव वाले सब इकट्ठा हो गए हम लोग हरी कथा में बोले 50-60 हम लोग 2 बस ले आते हैं एक बस हैं सारे सामान यहाँ पर रख दिया कोई मंदिर में और कथा समाप्त हो गई मेरा कथा तो आप जानते हो आधा घंटा तो नहीं होता है माय कथा विल नॉट फिनिश 30 minutes माय कथा नीड हाउ मेनी minimum 2 hours 1 hour okay then when my and everybody absorbed listen Hari Katha then the villagers they want by him to then Katha finish no prasad yes Thakurji Leela this हमारे आई में मारो के गोपीनाथ who came with us that year you came no prasad little bit some devotees they also bought some biscuit and this and that time also village no biscuit nothing also now village no, only one little bit sop and maybe 1 or 2 pieces biscuits or something this and water something water nothing also water also so this Leela I also remember okay how Thakurji Gopinath he also stole the kheer that maybe Thakurji came in the form of the residents of what is it called? Eka Chakra. And they took all our things. And 120 devotees no prasad, nothing. They can return back. So Pujari he came in the market and loudly told, who is Madhavendra Puripad? No, okay, no, I have to forget. Then Pujari, after he closed his temple, then Pujari, he took rest. Then Gopinath, the Thakurji, he came. In the dream of Pujari, he told, hey Pujari, and you are foolish. You are thinking, you took the 12th Amrit Kali pot, but actually I also stole one Amrit Kali pot and I kept under my Singhasan. My great devotee Madhavendra Puripad is there. So you have to go and offer to him. So in the midnight, Pujari waked up from his dream, sapna se uthe, and was taking bath and Gayatri mantra. Because if you enter the temple, you have to take bath and chant Gayatri mantra. Without chanting Gayatri mantra, you should not enter in the temple room. Understand? This is the Hari Bhakti Vilas explained this. So midnight, that Brahmana, Pujari, he took bath and chanting Gayatri mantra. They entered in the temple of Gopinath and saw, and under the Singhasan, one Amrit Kali pot. Then Pujari heart melted. Oh, Thakurji, how is merciful. And for this regard, that Thakurji's name called, what his name is? Kheer Chora. Kheer means sweet rice, Chora means steal. That means Krishna, that means Gopinath, he stole Kheer Chora. Kheer Chora Gopinath. So I have come here. What is Sundarananda? Oh, Sundara. Eka Chakra. First he told, I have come from Manasarovar. Then he told me, where you come from? Eka Chakra. Why he did not go Eka Chakra? No birthplace. He did not want to see his own birthplace. Right now. Now he has come in, finally he has come, Gopinath. So Madhavendra who is Madhavendra Puripad? Who is Madhavendra Puripad? Jahar lagi Gopinath koilo kheer churi. Then Madhavendra Puripad he told my meaning Madhavendra Puripad. Then Pujari very happy to take this because Thakurji told for you this. And then Madhavendra just a little bit and taste the Amrit Kali. Very nice. Then his heart completely intoxicated remote. Romancha compass. Rolling on the ground. Even Madhavendra Puripad, he took the clay pot and bind with his cloth. Then Madhavendra Puripad cried. Then Madhavendra Puripad thinking, I will not stay here. Because early in the morning, Pujari must be declared. Oh, Madhavendra Puripad is a great devotee. For this regard, Thakurji Gopinath and stole kheer for him. But anyhow, Pujari early in the morning, he declared, Madhavendra Puripad is the great devotee and Thakurji stole kheer Amrit Kali for him. For the Thakurji name is called Kheer Chora Gopinath. Bolo Kheer Chora Gopinath ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. But Madhavendra Puripad, he did not stay in that place. Madhavendra Puripad thinking, I will stay there, everyone will call me Siddha Mahatma. He left this. Pratisthar bhaye Madhavendra jai palaiya. Pratishtha tar piche jai gadaiya. That means for the fear of name, fame, reputation, Madhavendra Puripad left this place. But Pratishtha also chasing behind him. For this regard, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explains, Jayare Pratishtha Sukari Vishta. If your own name, fame, reputation, that is called the stool of the pig. But Vaishnavi Pratishtha, Tari Karya Nishtha. If Vaishnava and Thakurji give and name, fame, you have to accept. So for the Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada explains. What did he say? Kya bola? You accept. And the mundane people will give you respect or name, fame, reputation. They are thinking this is the stool of pig. The stool of pig means is very, very low, untouchable and also rich. So now Madhavendra Puripad, he left this place and he came in south. Then he collected the Malai Chandan. Remember, what Chandan? Malai Chandan. And very cool. He did not go. That time, I told this, that time the
Malaysia was part of India.
Coming in. That time Malaysia also part of India. And that time also that Chandan, the sandalwood coming from Malaysia in India that time. So Madhavendra Puripad, he went in south, then he collected the Malai Chandan. And when he again returned back this place, and that time he became very sick. Then Thakurji told him, this Gopinath again told him, hey Madhavendra Puripad, no need to bring this Chandan, sandalwood to Giriraj Govardhan for your Thakurji Gopal. You this Chandan paste, you will put my body, then Gopal will be happy. And Gopal whole body will be cool. So Madhavendra Puripad, he also put this Malai Chandan in the whole the body of Gopinath. Tota Gopinath. That is called Kheer Chora Gopinath. And Gopal is very happy there. Gopal, where is Gopal? Govardhan. Now Gopal is staying in, what is it called? No. Why you went there? Jaipur and Armor. Maybe one day we will go. Where is the place? Many times before I went. Now he is not going. Ajmer, Pushkar, Jaipur, Pushkar, then? No. Udaipur, nearby Udaipur. And Natadar. Nasada, very nice video. And if you see the Gopal, Madhavendra Puripad, Gopal. Madhavendra manifested the Gopal. Nasada. And this. So now coming here, Madhavendra Puripad did the Seva service. Then after 2 days, then Madhavendra Puripad, he departed from this material world. Then you have seen that the Samadhi Mandir of Madhavendra Puripad, Madhavendra Bhajan Kutir and Samadhi Mandir. Madhavendra Puripad was staying here. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. So now we will on the bus and take, after we in the middle, now it's 7:30, we'll take prasad in the middle. From here, 9 o'clock. On the way. Then I hope we will be today, we will be arrive Jagannath Puri about lunch time. In the bus stop in Sakshigopaal, but Western devotees they are not allowed to enter the Sakshigopaal. Just outside on the road can see Sakshigopaal. And the Brahman will ask money. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki, Jai Madhavendra Puripad ki. Also here Rasikananda Thakur, also Samadhi Mandir in the behind. Rasikananda is the disciple of Samananda Prabhu. Very powerful disciple. And understand, Madhavendra Puripad, what is called? Rasikananda is very powerful. He also gave mantra to the elephants. He gave the mantra to the and lion, tiger, and with his hands he also slapped. Then tiger starts to stand up. Hare chant Hare Krishna. Allah Vishnu. Then that time the tiger will chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. One day we are coming, then the dog also. Ek chakra. You have seen? There are 2 dogs. Yeah. They are running to us and Hare Krishna. We have seen or not? We have to follow or not? How they are chanting? They are chanting also Hare Krishna. Maybe they are chanting Nitai. Yeah, just now. Yesterday when you went, Eka Chakra, 2 dogs. Hare
The cows and the cows.
Gaur Premanand. Bolo Madhavendra Puripad ki. Hey, Sundar. Jai Gopal Prabhu, come. Sundra coming many places. Yeah? Hello. Sundra.
I'm here.
Ah. Oh. Amrit Kali. और कौन रह गया? अमृत के लिए ना? You don't like? Who likes?
We don't like one time, we like 10 times.
Still like jacuzzi, huh? ये वाले करेंगे
अच्छा ले तो छोड़ खोल दी
पूरा
यही तो सोच रहा था मुझे पता इसलिए
Thank you.